In the heart of Lofoten lies Svolvær, a small town surrounded by the mountains with the towering peak of Floya rising right above it. The hike to top offers not only incredible 360 views of the Svolvær but also access to some of the other amazing viewpoints and hikes along the way. But going there without the right preparation can be a little tricky. So in this video I'll take you through the complete trail and show you how to navigate it and guide you to all the main viewpoints along the way. So let's start with reaching the trailhead, also known as the Sherpatrappa, which is located around 1.5 kilometers from the center of Svolvær. You also have the parking and the only washroom we have on the trail. After that you'll cross small bushes to reach the Sherpa stairs. Today we are here for a stairmaster workout and we'll also see the Djevelporten along the way. So like the starting point is almost like 1,000 stairs that we're going to climb. Although this trail offers a bunch of other hikes, but today our destination is Floya. And along the way, we first gonna do the Djevelporten. That is like the Devil's Gate, a famous photo point. Up ahead is the Floya, the highest point, rising over 500 meters. So after 30 minutes of climbing stairs, like from this particular point you have a split of Svolværgeita. Like this one is, let's say, for more advanced climbers, because up ahead to reach this top you have to be very experienced and could be done only with climbing. This kind of rocks that are, let's say, little tricky and slippery if you are doing it in a rainy season. And this kind of section will stay for a while. So bringing some sticks, let's say the hiking sticks, could be little useful in this terrain, especially when you are crossing those slant rocks. Always try to be on the corners of this thing, because you have kind of roots and stuff to grab onto, and it's easier to climb close to these sections. In middle you also have some part of this kind of, let's say, exposed kind of rocks, but it's pretty doable. Last stretch of the stairs before reaching the Djevelporten. So getting here is quite easy, like it takes almost 1.5 hours, and the hike is only 1.5 kilometers. But our travel is not finished. We have to reach the highest point and start the hike to Floya. It's not much, but this section is kind of, let's say, more technical, that you need to use more hands. And then we have some area also with very narrow and exposed path. Only if you have the experience, continue the next part. And finally, this is our first view of the ridge. We have to reach up there. In terms of elevation, this is the highest point, but it's too technical to climb. So this is the Floya. Take only around 2 hours, and then you have this wonderful view of the Svolvær. This is one of the many hikes I did on my Norway travel, so make sure you check out other as well. So now we're gonna chill here for a while, grab a lunch. That's it for this video. If you like the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.